Welcome back students. In this video we are going to understand the sales procedure and how to input the sale procedures in Tally. Now previous videos we have learned about the purchase procedure and sales procedure is no different. So rather than spending 4 or 5 videos, I am going to make you explain in a single video because more or less the procedure is same. So let me start. Here the first step is sales order. Similar to purchase order, now a sales order is a document generated by the seller upon receiving the purchase order from a buyer specifying the details about the product or service. Sales order is generally being generated immediately after getting the purchase order from the buyer. Now once you have generated the sales order, you will have to deliver the product. Now once you have delivered the product, the confirmation for that particular confirmation, you will have to generate the delivery note. So comes the next step, which is delivery note. A delivery note is a document that accompanies a shipment of goods based on sales order and provides a list of products and quantity of the goods included in the delivery. Okay, so you have generated the sales order. Based on that you have done the delivery as well, but for some reason buyer has rejected few of the items due to many reasons it can be. So there comes the next step, which is rejection in. Now this voucher is used to record goods returned back that were rejected by the company. For example, the company returned back those items that were rejected by a vendor, or maybe the product or good is defective for that particular reason. There can be many reasons. Now after rejection in of few items, whatever items are remaining, means those which are delivered to the buyer, based on that a sales bill need to be generated. When a company sells good on credit or cash, sales voucher is used to record all the sales transaction of the company. So the sales bill has been generated. The complete procedure is done. But again, after the sales bill has been generated, buyer has rejected few more items. So in order to record that, we will have to generate the credit note, or which is known as sales return. So the sales credit daybook is a prime entry book or a daybook which is used to record sales return. So these are the procedure that we need to follow. So let's understand this with the help of example, and we will do it practically, of course. So that's the same company ABC purchase. In our stock summary we have got 950 pieces of shirt. Let's say we have received the order of 950 shirts only from a different company, which is Shyam Enterprise. So first step is to generate the sales order based on their purchase order. Now they have done the purchase order part, we need to do the sales order part. So in order to do that, we will go to vouchers. Now from voucher, go to other vouchers, show inactive, and from here sales order, you may see it is inactive. The short key is Control F8. Even if I will press Control F8, it will not work because it's inactive. So double click on sales order, activate now. Yes, in sales order is activated and it is showing here. Now the party account name, the party is different. So the party, let's say, is Shyam Enterprise. So I'm pressing Alt C in order to generate the party. So I'm typing Shyam Enterprise. Now it's going to be sundry debtor. Maintain balances bill by bill. Okay, yes. The rest of the thing will remain as it is. Here you need to mention the address. If you are willing to, you may. Mode and terms of payment, I'm mentioning, let's say, cash. Other references, I'm mentioning, let's say, bank. Terms of delivery, let's say party has asked for 10 days and you are also saying that within 10 days I'm going to deliver it. Now here you will have to mention the delivery details, that you are delivering it through which courier or which carrier services, on which date. You can mention all the details. Here I'm skipping this. If it's required, you can fill that. Okay, go ahead and save it. Now here I will have to generate the order number, so I am generating Shyam Enterprise SEO1. Okay, now sales ledger we need to create, so Alt C, and here I am tapping sales. It will go under sales account, not applicable. Go ahead and save it. Now name of item, definitely you are going to sell the item which is already there in your go down. So I have got shirt of 950 pieces and that was the purchase order, so I'm selecting shirt. Here it's showing we have got 950 pieces. Now due on means when you are supposed to do the delivery and all these things. Here you can mention the date, however I'm keeping as it is. Quantity you will have to mention, so I'm mentioning the quantity as 950. We have done the purchase of those shirts, let's say 500 rupees for each, and here I'm selling it for 700 rupees. So overall price is coming as 6,65,000, which is good. Okay, go ahead and save it. Okay, so we have done the sales order. We have done the sales order, so let's go to stock summary. Here you will see there is no impact because sales order is just an indication that we are going to sell you the product. Till now we have not delivered it, so shirts of 950 pieces still showing in our stock. Let's go to display more reports, statement of inventory, sales order outstanding, all orders, and here you will be able to see it showing 950 pieces of shirt, and for each shirt we are charging 700 rupees. Overall price is 6,65,000. Once again, if we need to cancel let's say 50 shirts, so here we can go for pre-close order. Okay, the shortcut is Alt W, so I'm pressing Alt W, and here you will have to mention, let's say I want to cancel 50 shirts for whatever reason. Go ahead and accept. So now you can see the sales order is of 900 pieces of shirt only. The order was for 950 pieces, 50 has been cancelled, so the balance quantity is of 900 pieces of shirt. Okay, let's move to our next step. So we have generated the sales order, and according to our promise we have delivered the product as well. So for that we will have to generate the delivery note. The shortcut is Alt F8. So I'm going to voucher once again, and for delivery note once again going to other voucher, show inactive, and here we will have to look for delivery note. Here it is inactive, and double click. Till now you have know the procedure. Activate now, yes, and delivery note is coming. So party name I will have to mention, let's say I'm selecting Shyam Enterprise, which was the party. Now it will show all the sales order which is against that particular party. So it is showing the sales order that we have just created, SEO1. So I'm selecting this, end of list. Okay, go ahead and save the details. Here it's tracking number coming as 1, so that's fine. That's against this particular order number, so again that is fine. Quantity is 900. Let's say if you have delivered not 900 pieces but let's say 800 pieces, so here you will have to mention 800 pieces. But let's say for example we have delivered all what they have asked for, 900 pieces, so I'm keeping as it is. Go ahead and save it. Okay, so we have delivered 900 pieces of shirt. That's great. So let's go to stock summary, and here you will see because 50 pieces were rejected initially, so it's showing only 50 pieces of shirt. The rest of the 900 pieces of shirt has been delivered. Now 900 pieces of shirt has been delivered, so let's go to display more reports, statement of inventory, sales order outstanding, all orders, and here you will be able to see there is no sales order which is due. If I will go to purchase Sales order outstanding, let's say go to sale bill spending. So here it will show 900 pieces of shirts. Bill is still pending because till now we have not generated the sales bill. But before that, again let's say 50 pieces of shirt were rejected by the buyer. After doing this delivery note, if few of the pieces of shirt has been rejected by the buyer, then we need to go for the procedure which is known as rejection in. The shortcut is Control F6. Okay, so let's go to voucher, then other vouchers, show inactive. Now look for rejection in, again it is inactive, Control F6, double click on rejection in, activate. Now here you will have to, you can see the cursor over here, you will have to give the party name. So party was Shyam Enterprise, I am tapping S, so here it is coming Shyam Enterprise. Select this. Now here it's asking for the item was shirt, so I am selecting shirt. Okay, it is coming. Now out of 900 pieces, how much of shirt pieces has been rejected? So let's say 40 pieces has been rejected, so I am tapping 40. Go ahead and save it. Okay, so 40 pieces of shirt has been rejected out of 900, so 860 pieces of shirt bills need to be generated. Let's go to stock summary. Previously 50 pieces of shirt was rejected, now 40, so overall 90 pieces of shirt we have got in our inventory. It will have the impact on our balance sheet as well. So here you may see the current asset of 6,47,000. Let's go to current assets, sundry debtors. Now sales bill to make is 6,02,000 based on the sales that we have done. Okay, so let's go to display more reports, statement of inventory, sales order outstanding, not sales order outstanding, sales bill pending, and here you may see that 860 pieces of shirts bill need to be generated, which is pending now. Fine. So next procedure is sales bill. The shortcut is F8. So sales bill need to be generated now. So let's go to voucher once again. The shortcut is F8 for sales bill. Okay. Now party account name, I am selecting the party which is Shyam Enterprise, selecting the delivery note number which was 1, and based on this delivery note all the sales order will come here. You may see SEO1 it is coming. Okay, go ahead. Rest of the detail it will fetch automatically. Shirt of 860 pieces, it is coming automatically, that's absolutely fine. So overall is 6,02,000. Again it is good. Go ahead and save it. So we have generated the sales bill as well. It will have its impact on the balance sheet, so we will go to balance sheet, alt F1 for detail. Let's go to current assets and sundry debtor. Here you can see against Shyam Enterprise it's showing the bill of 6,02,000. Okay, so everything is done here. Now the next thing is, if again let's say 20 pieces of shirt has been rejected, so there comes the final part which is credit note or sales return. The shortcut is alt F6. So let's go to vouchers. Okay, so the next step is to do the credit note because 20 pieces of shirt has been rejected again after generating the sales bill. So the short key for this is alt F6. So press alt F6 and here you will see credit note is coming. You will have to select the party account name. Party is Shyam Enterprise. Tracking number not applicable. Okay, go ahead. Order number you will have to select, which is this one, SEO1. Okay, So here it's saying previously 40 pieces of shirt was rejected, so right now not 40 but 20 pieces of shirt need to be rejected, so or need to be returned actually. So 20 pieces I have selected. Go ahead and save it. That's it. So credit note, this means sales return, 20 pieces of shirt has been returned. Now if I will go to stock summary, you will be able to see initially we have rejected 50 pieces of shirt, then 40 pieces, then 20, so overall 110 pieces of shirt is still in our inventory, and it will have the impact upon the balance sheet also. Here you can see in a current asset, alt F1 I'm pressing, sundry debtor, it's showing 5,88,000 rupees. Previously if you remember it was 6,02,000 approx. Now because 20 shirt has been rejected, so it's showing 5,88,000. Now if I will go to profit and loss account as well, alt F1, it will show me the profit of 1,68,000 based on the transaction we have done. Let me go to the day book once again. Here you will see all the entries that we have done. So this is it. This is how sales order need to be handled in TallyPrime. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.